everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Caesar dressing. This recipe comes from a cookbook called Fresh Start Bariatric Cookbook by registered dietitian Sarah Kent. Let me show you how it's done. All you need is a good blender, and we're just going to add all the ingredients in here. This is half a cup of low-fat plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of shredded parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of low-fat milk, a quarter cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, one tablespoon of a good extra virgin olive oil, two anchovy fillets. These are really tiny fish that are packed in olive oil and salt, and they provide, really, this is the secret ingredient for delicious tasting Caesar dressing. So you do not want to skip that. I promise you, the dressing at the end is not going to taste like fish. 1 teaspoon of ground or minced garlic, fresh garlic, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This mustard is not just going to give this dressing flavor, but this actually helps bind together the olive oil and lemon juice, so it acts as an emulsifier. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I finally learned how to pronounce this. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. No need to add salt to this because the anchovies have salt in them already. The Parmesan cheese has salt. All right, so let's go ahead and cover this and give it a nice blend. My blender is a little too big for this recipe, but we'll make it work. All right, I gave it a good 10 to 15 second blend, but I do see Greek yogurt stuck on the sides of the blender. So I am going to scrape the sides to make sure that I'm getting all the ingredients evenly mixed. I'll give this maybe another 20-second mix. A nice long blend helps the dressing thicken. All right, and our dressing is complete. Super easy. That did not take any time at all. And really, there's no dressing is going to taste as good as your homemade one. And in fact, this dressing, you don't need to just eat it on just a traditional Caesar salad or chicken Caesar salad. You could also make maybe a wrap, like a lettuce wrap with chicken in it, and add this dressing in there. Or you could even use it as a condiment when you're eating chicken, just for a little flavor on the side. Oh, and also that Worcestershire sauce has salt in it, so this is perfectly salted without having to add any additional salt. There we go, beautiful Caesar dressing that is low fat, low calories, perfect for bariatric patients. And that is it. Super easy. This recipe actually, it's delicious even on just topping chicken with it. So if you're in the stage where you can have your soft proteins, you have a piece of chicken breast and you put a little bit of this dressing on top as a condiment, adds lots of flavor, it's gonna be delicious. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.